What is genetic information, and how does DNA store it? Imagine a tiny blueprint that contains all the instructions needed to build and run a living organism. That blueprint is what scientists call genetic information. It is the set of instructions encoded within molecules called deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA. This information tells cells how to grow, develop, and function properly. It also guides reproduction, passing traits from parents to offspring. DNA is made up of two long strands twisted into a shape called a double helix. Each strand is like a ladder made of sugar and phosphate groups, with rungs made of nitrogenous bases. There are 4 types of these bases: adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine. The order of these bases along the DNA strand is what encodes genetic instructions. Think of it as a language made of 4 letters. The sequence of these letters forms words and sentences that tell the cell what to do. Within DNA, specific segments called genes carry instructions for making proteins. Proteins are essential molecules that perform most functions in the body. When a gene is active, its sequence is copied into messenger RNA, or messenger ribonucleic acid. This process is called transcription. The messenger RNA then leaves the nucleus and guides the assembly of amino acids into proteins in a process called translation. Some genes produce RNA molecules that regulate other genes or help in protein production. For DNA to keep genetic information safe and accessible, 2 main processes happen. First, replication copies the entire DNA sequence accurately before a cell divides. This way, each new cell gets a complete set of instructions. Second, gene expression allows cells to read and use the information by producing the right proteins at the right time. This balance is vital for healthy growth and development. The discovery of DNA's double helix structure was a major milestone in science. It showed how the sequence of bases could be precisely copied and stored chemically. Later, scientists learned how DNA is packed into chromosomes in the nucleus of eukaryotic cells, or stored in a circular form in prokaryotic cells. Proteins called histones help organize DNA efficiently, making sure genetic information is protected yet accessible when needed. Overall, DNA's ability to store genetic information in a stable, clear, and accessible way has shaped our understanding of life itself. It has opened doors to many advances in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology. From understanding inherited diseases to developing new treatments, the story of DNA is a key chapter in the history of science and discovery.